I see on the very top, she has the chest is red. Ven que tiene aquí el pecho, los pájaros arriba tiene el pecho como rojo. I think it's a finch. But let's look my.
I have a short.
Welcome to the 5th annual Youth Winter Bird Count. My name is Casey and I'm the Education and Engagement Manager at Richardson Bay Audubon Center and Sanctuary. I'm joined by several of my colleagues here today, of course Marto, and lots of lovely volunteers, including our teen youth Audubon leaders who are going to be helping throughout the day.
Ah, yeah. Pinzón mexicano.
Mexicano. Here I'm looking at looks more like a sparrow.
Pinzón mexicano. There are sparrows up there. But the finches are on top. Of course, they move now.
I think I'm looking at
This is what I see.
I'm seeing a white-crowned sparrow. What are you doing there, Era?